Mastering quantifiers with adjectives and adverbs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting video in our English language learning series. Today, we're tackling an essential part of English that can significantly improve your conversation skills: quantifiers with adjectives and adverbs. First off, let's clarify what quantifiers are. Quantifiers are words or phrases that we use before a noun to express the amount or quantity. They help us provide more details about how much or how many. Examples include many, few, some, any, and a lot of. But did you know quantifiers can also work with adjectives and adverbs? Yes, that's what we're going to discuss today. Adjectives describe or modify nouns, right? Now, when we combine them with quantifiers, we can provide even more specific information about the noun. For example, when you say, "She has many beautiful dresses," the word many is the quantifier and beautiful is the adjective modifying dresses. Similarly, adverbs typically modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, giving us more information about the action, the description, or another adverb. When we use a quantifier with an adverb, it tells us about the frequency or degree of the action or quality. For example, consider this sentence: "He runs quite quickly." Here, quite is a quantifier that modifies the adverb quickly. Now, let's dive into some examples and exercises for better understanding. 1. There are too many people here. Too many quantifies the adjective people. 2. She was driving rather slowly. Rather quantifies the adverb slowly. 3. They have quite a few interesting books. Quite a few quantifies the adjective interesting. Now, it's your turn. Try to create your own sentences using quantifiers with adjectives and adverbs. Practice makes perfect. And there we have it. We've covered the fundamentals of using quantifiers with adjectives and adverbs. Remember, these are powerful tools to make your English conversations more descriptive and interesting. I hope you found this helpful and enjoyable. As always, practice is key, so keep working on those new sentences. See you in our next video.